You've been using Claude wrong. And while you sit there copy-pasting answers out of a chat box, someone running the same tools already shipped their actual work. Reports done, spreadsheets built, posted. Let me show you the setup. Open Claude Desktop. 3 tabs across the top: Chat, Cowork, and Code. Most people live in chat. You ask, it answers. You copy the text, you go do something with it by hand. Fine for a quick question, useless for real work. Code is for developers. Scripts, repos, building products. Powerful, but you need to write code. Cowork is neither. Not a chatbot, not a coding tool. Cowork is an agent that runs on your computer. It reads your files, it writes new ones, it finishes the whole job while you do something else. Real Excel files with working formulas. Real Word docs ready to send. Not text you paste into a file, finished files. Simplest way to think about it. Chat is an assistant that answers questions. Cowork is an employee that completes tasks. One thing before we go further. Cowork only runs in the desktop app on a paid plan. It's not in the browser. So if you're following along, download the desktop app first. When to use it? 4 situations. Hit any of these and the chat is the wrong tool. 1. A job you want handled start to finish. 2. Anything that touches your local files directly. 3. Work you repeat every week. 4. Anything that mixes file work with live research online. That's the whole test. If your task is one of those 4, you're in Cowork. The setup. Here's where most people lose. They skip setup and wonder why every output reads like generic AI slop. This part is the most important thing in the video. Do it right and Cowork behaves like a trained hire. Skip it and you get the same flat output everyone else gets. Step 1. Make one working folder. Don't point Claude at your entire documents folder. That's chaos. One clean folder. I call mine the desk. Inside it, 3 subfolders. Context, projects, output. Context is what Claude needs to know about me. Projects is active work. Output is where finished work lands. Step 2. The context files. This is the real unlock. Inside context, 3 markdown files. About me, my role, my business, who I write for, what I care about. 2 paragraphs. Brand voice. My turn. Words I use. Words I never use. A couple of real examples of how I actually write. Working preferences. How I want documents structured, and what Claude should do when something's unclear. Make the call or ask me first. When I run inside a project with this folder attached, Claude reads these before it starts. I never re-explain my stuff. Step 3. Global instructions. Settings, Cowork, global instructions. This is the standing brief you give a new hire on day 1. Tone, role, default format, write it once, it applies everywhere. 5 minutes of setup. Weeks of friction gone. Demo 1. Let me show you something real. Something I'd otherwise pay someone to do. I run social for a stack of crypto accounts. I've got 6 client call transcripts sitting in a folder. Strategy calls, content reviews, follow-ups. Messy text, people talking over each other, vague deadlines like sometime next week. What I need? A project tracker and a follow-up email for each client. Here's the prompt. Watch the task plan on the right. Claude doesn't crawl through these one at a time. It reads them in parallel, pulls out the action items, cross-references across calls. A few minutes later, here's the output. The trackers have proper columns. Deadlines are real dates. When someone said end of next week, Claude worked out the actual calendar date. Priority levels are color-coded. There's a summary row at the bottom of each one. The emails reference the exact things each client said on their call. Action items, real deadlines, under 150 words, ready to send. That's 2-3 hours of admin, done while I make coffee. And notice what I didn't do. No clever prompt, no special syntax. I described the output like I was briefing a person. I got back finished files. That's the shift. Stop asking what AI can generate for you. Start asking what work it can finish for you. Demo 2. Now, a job that normally eats an afternoon. I want to know what's moving in the altcoin data space right now. Not one chain, the whole board. Which chains are flipping each other on fees and active users, where the records are, where the growth is. This is the research I do before I build MSP Intel's post for the day. Normally, this is 2 hours of tab switching. Open the dashboards, scroll, pull numbers, copy into notes, repeat. You end up with a messy doc and a headache. Here's the prompt. Watch the task plan. Claude opens the file, runs the comparisons, ranks the stories in parallel. What takes me 2 hours, a few minutes later, Word doc. 3 lead stories ranked by significance, exact figures under each, an executive summary up top that reads like an analyst wrote it. Now watch this. I add 1 line and run it again. Same research, but now Claude checks the stories against my account, my style, and what my audience actually engages with. It doesn't just find the stories, it tells me which one is mine to run today. That's not a search tool. That's a research analyst that already knows my business. Projects and memory. Here's the catch with everything I just showed you. Claude remembers your general setup, your tone, your structure, your preferences, but on its own, it doesn't hold the work context. What you did last run, what you changed, what good looked like for this exact task, so every standalone run starts cold. No continuity, no building on the last one. They treat Cowork like a smarter chat with file access. And without memory at the task level, you're rerunning the same workflow every time instead of stacking on it. Projects fix this, and this is straight from Anthropic's own docs. Memory lives inside projects. A loose folder won't give you it. You have to actually create a project. Let me make one. New project, client deliverables, pointed at my client folder. Then I add instructions. Use brand voice from the context files. Emails always under 150 words. Trackers in this column order. Task, owner, deadline, priority, status. Now I run the same transcripts inside the project. The tracker follows my columns automatically, the emails match my tone, I restate nothing. And here's the part that matters. Next time I run it with new inputs, the project already holds the last run. The outputs, the tweaks I made. So it builds on what's there instead of starting over. Over time, it lines up tighter with how I actually work. 1 project per recurring workflow. Client deliverables, content production, reporting. Each one gets more useful the more you use it. At that point, this stops being a tool. It's infrastructure. Skills. Projects give you memory. Skills give you repeatability. A skill is an instruction file that tells Claude exactly how to handle one type of work. A playbook for one job. Cowork ships with skills for Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and PDF. Those load on their own. Ask for a spreadsheet and it pulls the Excel skill without being told. You get real formulas and formatting instead of a data dump. Custom skills are where it gets good. In Cowork, you trigger your own skills by typing a /. Watch. I asked Claude to draft a daily data post with no skill. Generic, predictable, reads like AI post you've scrolled past. Now, with my own skill loaded, completely different. The format matches what works for my account. The voice is mine, and the structure is the one thing I write by hand. It reads like me, not a machine. Build a skill once for anything you repeat. Daily posts, client reports, outreach, onboarding. Write the playbook once. Claude runs it the same way every time. Schedule tasks. This is where Cowork gets dangerous for anyone not using it. Write a prompt once, set a schedule, Claude runs it on its own. No code, no APIs, just a prompt and a time. Type /schedule in any task, or click scheduled in the sidebar. New task, write the prompt, pick the frequency, save. Here's one I run. Every morning at 8. Pull the overnight crypto headlines from my sources, flag what actually matters for the desk, and write me a short brief. I wake up to it. 3 things to know before you schedule everything. 1. Tasks only run while your computer is awake and the desktop app is open. If it's asleep at runtime, Cowork skips it, then runs it the moment you wake the machine and tells you it did. 2. After the first run, Claude writes your prompt based on what it learned, so it gets cleaner over time. 3. Test it manually once before you trust it on a schedule. But once it's running, you're not doing that work anymore. Something else is, and it works for free. Dispatch. What if you're not at your desk? Dispatch lets you text Claude a task from your phone. It runs the whole thing on your desktop. You come back to finished files. Setup takes 2 minutes. Open Cowork on your phone, turn on Dispatch, done. The task hits my desktop. Claude opens the project, which already has my preferences loaded, pulls the data, runs the job, saves it, push notification when it's done. Your phone is the remote. Your desktop does the heavy lifting. I trigger research reports from the gym. Client work from the back of a car before a meeting. The desk runs whether I'm at it or not. Full system. Let me show you the whole thing running live. Project pointed at a dedicated folder, about me, and brand voice dropped in, connectors hooked up, 2 scheduled tasks, the 8 a.m. brief, and a content research pull a few times a week. I come back to a post draft that matches my voice, follows my structure, and references the morning's data. Not a chatbot, not a tool, a working desk. 3 things to walk away with. 1. Setup is everything. The folder and the context files are not optional. 5 minutes now saves you hours a week. 2. Use a project for anything you do more than once. The memory is what separates this from every other AI tool. It compounds. 3. Scheduled tasks are the real unlock. That's the jump from using AI to having AI work for you. Different category. If you want the exact skill I use to run my data desk, I'll give it to you. Comment skill on this video and I'll send you the starter pack, the folder structure, and the 3 context files filled in. And 1 custom skill you can drop straight into Cowork today. That's it. Go build your desk.